There are two ways to do the slip hand change. Let's break them down. Gents, pick up your right arm and now turn into your left and pull the lady around your body. As she passes behind you, let go of those hands. Lady, keep contact at his back and then catch on this side again. From here, you can do the reverse underarm turn to get her into the correct position so that you can continue with the basic again. Option 2 will start exactly the same. Pick up the right arm, turn to your left and pull the lady around. As she passes behind you, let go of the left hand. Lady, keep contact at the back and now catch with the opposite hand, and basically you're in the greeting position. From here, do a simple hand change by pulling her through and change the hands again so that you can continue with the basic. Let's demonstrate this from the other side. Gents, pick up your right arm, turn to your left and pull the lady towards your side. Ladies, be sure to keep contact at his back and then catch the hand he's giving to you. Gents, remember from here, do a reverse underarm turn and change places. Now, let's do option number 2. Turn, ladies, keep contact at the back and then gent, catch with the other hand. From here, you're going to do a simple hand change in order to continue with the basic.